Hello there, welcome back to the Modest Mushroom. Today we will be making red velvet cupcakes with vanilla buttercream frosting. I'll walk you through the steps and include the recipe in the description. Without further ado, let's jump into it and get started. I'm starting with the dry ingredients. Combine them in a large bowl or mixer with the paddle attachment. Once you do this, cut the room temperature butter into it and mix until it resembles sand. Now stir together your wet ingredients in a small bowl. This includes the food coloring. When you're done, it should look like Pepto-Bismol. Add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture and mix together well. Then add chocolate chips and break out your muffin tin. Bake the cupcakes at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Now on to the frosting. Whip 1 cup of softened butter in a mixer, then add 5 cups of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, and a few tablespoons of milk. Taste as you go and whip until it has the desired consistency. Now I'll show you how to frost them. Place frosting in a Ziploc bag, cut a small corner off of the bag, and use medium continuous pressure while applying. Here is the final result. These cupcakes were airy, moist, and delicious. They would go great with the cream cheese frosting as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do yourself a favor, go make these cupcakes. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.